The car in front of me hit their brakes, they stopped, so of course I stopped. I was fine, took a breath, and then as soon as I took my breath, bam. It was the worst shock that I've ever felt. So I pulled off to the shoulder, was about to get out. I looked around and this car just drove off. Thank God I had a dash cam. I was able to follow the driver a little bit. I got him on video and then I pulled off to the exit and I called the police. It was a hit and run at the end of the day. My lower back was just sharp pain. I just constantly felt it. That was a very scary part. I contacted the law office of Colby Lewis. I got to speak with a real attorney on the phone. He answered every single question. I even asked him about my injuries, if I was able to get medical help, and honestly, I was really scared on how my medical bills were going to be paid in the first place. The Colby Lewis law firm took care of all the paperwork over to the insurance. They took care of all of my medical appointments. They made sure I was scheduled right away, and I was able to seek my medical help as long as I needed to. I went from feeling very shocked and scared to just finally feeling empowered again. I was just happy that someone was taking care of this for me, and I wasn't trying to fight to get my medical bills reduced on my own. The law offices of Colby Lewis were able to get policy limits from my underinsured motorist insurance. Since there was no other party's insurance to go after, they were able to get the max on the table from my insurance. The insurance company for me actually tried to delay my UIM, but Colby didn't back down for a second. The results fully exceeded my expectations. All my medical bills are paid and I have peace of mind. The law offices of Colby Lewis treated me like family from day one, and now I recommend them to anybody that I know. If you're stuck in a hit and run nightmare, do not fight your insurance alone. Call Colby right now.